Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the perspective because it controls depth. Place a horizon at eye level, then add 1 or 2 vanishing points depending on the view. Once placed, draw light construction lines from those points across the page to form the floor and walls. Make sure to use a hard pencil for these guides so they can be erased later. They keep proportions consistent. These initial lines are simple but decisive. Get them correct, and the whole room will read correctly in 3 dimensions. Once the grid is set, block in the major planes, floor, back wall, and ceiling by connecting perspective lines to create rectangles in space. Next, place large furniture and architectural openings as simple boxes or rectangles to test scale and circulation. Make sure to check relationships, door height, window placement, and walkway widths against a human scale. Adjust boxes until the composition feels balanced. These middle steps define volume and spacing. So take time refining them before moving to detailed edges. Now focus on details. Refine edges, draw baseboards, window frames, and key textures like wood grain or tile lines. These anchor the room visually. Decide on a light source and shade consistently, using softer tones for ambient light and sharper shadows for direct light. Once done, erase construction lines and strengthen final outlines where planes meet to enhance depth. If proportions look off, check vanishing points and measure key heights again. Correcting perspective fixes most composition errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.